We just put this together, me and Shannon and Rick and Eric and the Prater family and Pat and a bunch of people came help me out. So it's all set now and I'm all by myself. I'm going to try to get the cows to move into the chute and then from the chute into the gate, and then we'll see how it goes. Here they are down there. They're trapped in this little spot here, so I'm going to try to move them in. Well, I'm not sure if you can see that out, but I did it. Got them on the chute, separated by one gate. They definitely don't like to take the left turn, a 90-degree turn there to go into the gate. We'll see how that goes. There's a problem. Well, to get some done today, I failed and they broke down the gate, which is unusual, but it got pinned between the gate and the fence, and so he just tore the thing off. So my wife calling now, asking how it went. I'll tell her when I get home. Turn these loose and refix the gate. Try again tomorrow. I'm out.